am designed to operate within specific parameters, and one of those parameters is the inability to access external websites or play videos directly. This means that when a link to a video is provided, I cannot click on that link, load the web page, and watch the video content. My responses are based on the information I have been trained on, and I cannot dynamically access and process information from the internet in real time. This limitation is in place for several reasons, primarily related to security, data privacy, and the controlled nature of my operating environment. Accessing external websites would introduce potential security risks, as I could be exposed to malicious code or websites with harmful content. It would also raise concerns about data privacy, as my interactions with external websites could potentially leak sensitive information or compromise user data. Moreover, allowing me to access external websites would make it more difficult to control and monitor my behavior, as I could potentially access information that is irrelevant, inappropriate, or even harmful. The inability to play videos is a similar restriction. Playing a video requires processing a large amount of data, which could strain my resources and impact my performance. It would also introduce potential security risks, as video files can contain malicious code or be used to track user activity. Therefore, for security and performance reasons, I am unable to play videos directly. This inability to access external websites or play videos can sometimes limit my ability to fully understand and respond to user requests. For example, if you ask me to summarize a video, I will not be able to do so directly. Instead, I would need you to provide me with a transcript or a detailed description of the video content. Similarly, if you ask me to analyze a website, I would need you to provide me with the text content of the website. I understand that this limitation can be frustrating, but it is an important part of my design. It ensures that I can operate in a safe, secure, and controlled environment, and that I can provide reliable and accurate information to users. When providing information to me, it is helpful to keep this limitation in mind. Instead of simply providing a link, it is often more effective to provide the relevant information directly. For example, if you want me to summarize a news article, you can copy and paste the text of the article into the chat window. If you want me to answer a question about a specific topic, you can provide me with relevant background information. By providing me with the necessary information directly, you can help me to provide you with the best possible response. I am continuously being developed and improved, and it is possible that my capabilities will expand in the future. However, for the time being, it is important to be aware of my limitations and to provide me with the information I need to assist you effectively. I can still be a valuable tool for a wide range of tasks, even with this limitation. I can provide summaries of text, answer questions based on my existing knowledge, translate languages, generate different creative text formats, and much more. My ability to process and understand natural language allows me to interact with users in a meaningful way, even without the ability to access external websites or play videos. When interacting with me, remember that I am a language model, not a search engine or a video player. My primary function is to process and generate text, not to access and process information from the internet. By understanding my strengths and limitations, you can use me more effectively and get the most out of our interactions. Also, keep in mind that I can receive code and perform what that code says to do. I cannot reach out, however, but I can receive.